family planning, contraception, and yes, abortion where it's legal, but it also includes advocacy. So we will work more with local women's group to defend their rights. So strict abortion is a part of it, but the whole package of sexual and reproductive health and rights is very important.
But what do we do when we go into countries where abortion is illegal? Are we trying to convince them that abortion should be part of the spectrum of things for women in their health care?
Well, we use different languages. We work with different partners. We will work more with local groups also, to be able to identify what their priorities are, what is the good way to work to end child marriage, for example,
yes.
to end female genital mutilation. These are examples that are also included in this work to defend women's rights.
Right, but if we're talking about sex health education and prevention and all the things that you can do to make sure you don't become pregnant if you don't want to, are we also going into those countries where abortion is illegal and saying abortion can be safe and controlled and you don't have to worry about it? Is that also part of the message when we go into those countries?
Yes, we will choose our language, of course, but if we talk about family, if we talk about spacing the time between children, so there are ways to open the discussion.
How are you careful with the language then? Because if it's illegal and it's maybe not culturally acceptable, how do you start that conversation?
Well, we can talk about family. We can talk about mother and children. We can show data also, because 22 million adolescents and women are going for an unsafe abortion. This is huge. So when we work in prevention, yes. So the number will decrease, and we work for the security or for safe health services.
Yeah. To make this announcement on today, International Women's Day, what does that mean for you personally?
Well, this really send a message. I've been saying that for a while, that we will put women and girls at the heart of the new policy. Yeah. And that was the good day to really launch one of the biggest signature initiative that we will have for the coming years.
Okay, Minister, good of you to make the time. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.